Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the notifications in the Alaska Airlines application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look in your upper left corner and you will find there 3 lines. Press on it. After doing so, you should scroll all the way down, which I already did, and exactly the last option you will see there is the settings. Press on it, and after you enter the new page, here you will see basically the notifications. You can see that there are trip activity notifications, marketing notifications, and that's pretty much it. So you can activate or deactivate any of these depending on your taste and liking, so it's basically up to you. If you want to deactivate any of these, you just press on it, and the same thing applies in the opposite. If you want to activate it, you just have to press on it and will instantly be activated. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.